The control of budget. Margaret Nyakang'o was arraigned before the Mombasa Criminal Chief Magistrate's Court with allegations touching on 10 other people. I got instructions from the Member of Parliament from West Mogrango, where she comes from, Honorable Steve Mogaka. I also come from West Mogrango. On pro bono basis, we went to court because that is our sister, that is our lady, and on behalf of the Gusii community that has been targeted by Kenya Kwanza. Issues that we took to court are constitutional. One, can a constitutional office holder be charged in a criminal court before they invoke Article 251 of the Constitution, which provides for mechanisms of removal of a constitutional office holder before that person is arrested and charged. This one, we relied on the precedents of the current Deputy Chief Justice. When she was arrested, that was the argument, and the court upheld that she cannot be charged until they invoke the removal of her from office. Number two, the same issue arose when some other judges who are my clients, Justice Mchelule, Justice Chitembwe, were also arrested and purported to be arraigned in court. The courts have spoken that a constitutional office holder cannot be taken to take plea before that has been issued. If Kenya Kwanza is allowed to hound out constitutional office holders, then anybody is going to go home because they are not wanted, because their face looks bad, or because their nostrils are bigger, and they will be chased out of office. The second issue that we have raised before the court is the question of the inordinate delay. This is an offense that allegedly was committed 2015-2016. Nyakang'o Margaret appeared before. Nyakang'o Margaret, control of budget, appeared before all the entities of government that are supposed to vet: the DCI, the EACC, Parliament, NIS. All of them cleared this lady, and she was appointed and vetted by the president then as the control of budget. Where again do issues arise that are before? That is the second question. So we are saying there is a fishing expedition. There is a serious fishing expedition to get reasons to invoke Article 251 and remove Margaret Nyakang'o from her constitutional office. Third, we have also raised the question in the manner the harassment that the constitutional office holder was subjected to. Is it proper for a constitutional office holder to proceed like this one? So those are the three issues that we have taken to court, purely not based on politics, save that as a West Mogrango constituent, as a leader from the Gusii community, as a person who knows the law, we went to court to protect the integrity and the constitution of this country, because under Article 3, anybody can go to court to defend the constitution, and that is how my brother, Honorable Steve Mogaka, MP for West Mogrango, went to court. Of great importance is that, remember, the only constitutional office holders from Kisii community is only Margaret Nyakang'o. She's being hounded office. All the people who are there were hounded out of office. None of the Kisiis has ever been appointed a PS. This is a government of shareholding. It is very clear that the Kisiis are not shareholders in this government. And therefore, we shall be moving. Because the question that I have gotten instructions from the Kisii community is to move to court to say that Kisiis should not pay taxes because they are not part and parcel of this government, and especially the Nyamira section. The other day, we saw how exams were marked, targeting the Kisii community. We have seen how parastatal heads have been chased out of office, targeting the Gusii community. We are now seeing constitutional office holders being targeted, targeting the community. So, as much as I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya, those are not issues I'll raise in court, but Article 27, which we have invoked, says that you cannot discriminate based on race or tribe. We have raised this, that the Kisii community is being discriminated based against and contrary to Article 27 of the Constitution.